bike. This is too cool. He's gonna take it out on the boulevard. This shit is too hilarious, bro. That's fucking funny. Hey, what's this guy got? Oh, someone honked a train horn at him. That white truck there had a train horn and honked it at him. Scared the shit out of me, and I'm way back here. But it's illegal to have a train horn in your truck, I think. So I'm gonna go document this guy's license plate. Yeah, because this white truck is the one supposedly with a train horn, we think. Oh, it's got no license. There's no plate on the back there. And there's a pit bull in a cage. Yeah, there's no license plate there. Just some pit bull in a cage. Hanging out in the back. If I see any plate in the front as I pass by, see if I can make a note of it. Yeah, no plate. There's no plate in the front either. Interesting. It's not the first time I've seen that. I guess since they outlawed the paper plates, they just took the paper plates off and just been rolling around with no plates. Well, see, this one still has a paper plate. They were supposedly made illegal on July 1st.